All right, guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. I just dropped off my wife today, this afternoon up at Severa. She wanted to go and visit her family, and I decided to go for a little ride here. So I am starting this little ride that I call No Destination. So I am not 100% sure where I'm going to go, but I am taking you with me, and most of you recognize the area here. A little trivia, tell me where it is. Do that in the comment section. And we are heading up towards Andoer City, and from there we'll see where we go. So over the last couple of weeks, I've been tied up at home. We went to Morong and came back, and I caught the flu. So I'm still battling it a little bit. My voice is a little scruffy, but I start feeling a little better. Time to start doing some blogging again here. The last few days it's been scorching hot as well. Today we had like 95 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know exactly what that is in Celsius, but it's scorching hot. All right, so we got over the bridge, and I think I'm gonna run through Angeles downtown and go up by Naple Mall. So we'll continue riding up this way. I think this road is called Jake Gonzalez Road, and it actually is an extension of Henson, and Henson rides straight into the downtown area, the market area where the markets are and all that. In this particular area here, I have the guys I go and do some service my bike with, the dealer. Even though I have changed that now, I'm pretty much out of warranty on it, and I found a mechanic up in Mabalacat that I'm pretty happy with. But there is some great motorcycle dealer part shops here, and one of them up here is right up here, right after the furniture store, and they can order genuine parts basically, so that's a good thing. Alright, feels like we have a little traffic here. These jeepneys, I'm telling you, they are not only a danger, but they're pollution galore. I don't know how they pass the emission test every year. I haven't figured that one out yet. You know, sometimes we end up behind some of those guys, and when they push the gas pedal, all that comes out is a little acceleration and some, or not some, a lot of black smoke. It's amazing. So Up here on this road on Henson. Here is Motor Trade to the left. That's the dealer I got my bike from, and that's where I go. All right. Still stopping a little traffic here. I like to take it easy. We have had a few close calls, and the other day here, we almost had a head-on. Somebody decided to get on my lane and pass some cars, and luckily I discovered it in the last second, I would say. A couple of more seconds and it would have been all over. It's just crazy. I'm wondering sometimes how people get their driver's license here. There's absolutely no requirements. Basically people buy their driver's license here, and it's a crazy phenomenon, really. One of the things, McDonald's is all over the place here. I think we have as many McDonald's here as we do in the United States. It's I know of at least I think 4, 5, 6 around in this area, and they all seem to be doing okay. KFC on the left. Up here you have Jumbo Yandra, Jollibee. All right. Yeah, so when you pass downtown, in the roundabout down there, where you have the fast food restaurants and the police, you're getting up to this road, and they've just newly fixed all these things, so it's a really nice ride. Last time I was up here, the asphalt and concrete was all bent up. Now it's really nice and smooth. And this is the road actually that takes you up to Porac, Andoer, Porac, Florida Blanca, Dinalopian Road. It's a long name, but that's what they call it. And once you get up here, a few hundred meters up to the left there, you have Napa Mall. I'm not taking time to go by there, but I have a couple of blogs from inside Napa Mall. I did those, I think, I would say about a year ago. There's a pretty cool motorcycle shop down there, if they're still there. They sell all kinds of classic bikes and Italian bikes and scooters, and it was a pretty cool shop. I didn't know they were there, and I just walked in one day and looked around. Yeah, and all the bikes they have, it looks like you're back in the 60s and 70s with the design of the bikes and all that. All right, so here's the north entrance into Napa Mall to the left, and we're going to continue up towards Friendship Highway. And I think I'm going to come down that way and go through Korean town. So stay with me. It's Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening. Sun is about to go down. And here we're coming up on Friendship Highway. So we make a right here and go towards Korean town. Every street corner has a Chow King or a Jollibee. And now I'm closer to Korean town. We just passed another McDonald's. And look at the construction here, guys. It's everywhere. We're building. Sometimes I think they have more stores than people that can shop in the store. I don't know how some of the businesses are surviving. You never see any people in there, but they're there. And here to the left are some new buildings, shopping center, and quite a bit of stores. And back in there, behind there, you have some real estate developments, some nice homes. And we're gonna head up across the bridge up here. Traffic is not too bad, and it's cooling off a little bit, so it's pretty nice. Like I said, it's been scorching hot today. My AC at home is like running 110%. Well, so far, traffic has been nice to us. Not much of traffic in. Can anybody tell me? The police cars are always driving around with blue lights flashing, and they never seem to be in a hurry. That's another one you can put down there in the comment section if you know why they do that. I believe in the rest of the world they're not even allowed to have it on unless there is an emergency. So that's the funny part. How do you know when to stop? Are they pulling you over? They come up, blue lights behind. I guess I just keep going. All right, guys, we're coming in here to Korean town, and the sunset. Look at that cloud. If we can get a peek of it, to the right up there behind the buildings. I think we might get a. It almost looks like a atomic bomb went off. That big cloud coming right straight up like that. Cloud can be pretty though. All right, so let's see, where should we go? I know. I'm going to take you through the Clark Gate or the Friendship Highway Gate into Clark, and then we're going to go towards the main gate. They have actually built another gate right between this gate here, Friendship, and the main gate. There is another gate now, and I think I said that in my last video. We passed by it. Now I'm going to go through it. That's how we're going to do this. So we go through that gate, and the gate is called Don Yuhiko Gate. For those of you who hasn't been here for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you'll never pass through that gate. It was not even here a couple of years ago. It just opened up not very long ago. All right, they're coming up on the gate. There's jeepneys all over the place. Start getting a little darker now, and I hope the images are, the video looks alright. Alright. Is that the moon? Yeah, it looks like a full moon. Maybe that's why we had the mystery going on. Get home, internet is down. A couple of the computer are down. even though the other computers were up and running. Like a little weird day. Alright, so let's open up the throttle a little bit and head down to the Don Mexico gate. And that'll be it for today. Look at that moon though. Full moon. Pretty pretty. Alright guys. Also, if you never visited our website, it's right on the screen. I will put it in there for you. And come and check us out. And they also contacted us via the website. That's the best way to do it. And we go from there. Here we are now coming up on the Don Mexico gate. And it's halfway between Walking Street and the Korean town. So thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and God bless, and we'll see you soon again. Bye bye. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.